I'm just about to go to the football and I wanted to do a video about rejection and whether that's directly or indirectly, little comments that have happened to you over the years and you've felt a sense of rejection from somebody. The more that happens, the more it chips away at you. So if I use the analogy of a house, if someone's got a pickaxe or something and they're knocking chips in the bricks, then they're going to start to fall away. And the more that happens, the more bricks that are going to fall away. And then eventually there's kind of nothing left. And so you can kind of understand how your self-esteem and self-confidence would be knocked if you've had constant rejection and, somebody not showing you love and affection. So all you need, in my opinion, is the right support, the right resources to help you rebuild that house, and the cement and all the bits and pieces you need to stick it back together. And it takes time. You can't just snap your fingers and expect it to be, the house to be built straight away. And that's the same with us. And when we do any change work, we need help and support from people around us. We can't just do everything on our own. You might want to try, but it's always easier if you've got somebody else there to support you, friends, family, colleagues, whoever that might be. And then you can start building that self-esteem, that self-confidence back up again. And it just takes some time, effort, and determination. You can do it. I believe in you. Have a good day. Bye.